Hello, looking into another example of inheritance and constructor. Now this is a program that you can read in your leisure. This program is giving stress on how parameterized constructors and super keyword are connected. Super keyword is used in the parameterized constructor of the subclass to supply values to the parameterized constructors of the superclass, because if an object of the subclass is created, it will expect values in the superclass. Now the superclass data, if they are expecting values from the parameterized constructor, where will they get values from? Because its own object is not getting created in this round. That is why if an object of the subclass is created, then that subclass's object should take responsibility of supplying values to the superclass's parameterized constructors. Now, the example will show you how it has been taken care of. Look here, the topmost first method here is the constructor, and it is having the first line here as super. Now this line is taking responsibility. It's in charge of supplying these values to the superclass. The superclass is library, and there these parameters are getting values, because you see this keyword is making library the parent of compute, and f and t are to be calculated, therefore they are 0, and d is getting the value of cd. So the calculation of find is taking place, and it's expected you will understand that part on your own. But what I have to show you here is this method is not a member method of this class, but it is a method of the superclass. And fn operate is calling fn find, and then is calling fn display. This is the member method of its own, which is going down and calling this one, which is and going back and executing these. If you look at the output which I have kept ready for you, or I can show you one more little bit of explanation. Look at the screen. I am going to create an object of the subclass, and I have supplied the parameter values. There are 4 of them, where the first 3 will go to the superclass. Let us check out here. An object has been created, and the object is now ready to execute. So the super has got its member values from this, and let us see what will happen if I activate the method operate. It is the controlling method here. See the values. If you see the values, you will see how the sequence is flowing from the method, the controlling method, which is operate, and then to its super. Here this method is coming from the super method, superclasses method, and rest is getting printed. Cross check your answer. Okay.